Do, 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 do. Hey, today at work, Alan said to me, Matt, can you make I said, how can I help Cheese Wizards? And Alan said, can you make a video in 24 hours that explains more about Cheese Wizards to people? And I said, of course I can, which is probably not true, but this is first cut of our first attempt at trying. So we're going to tell you about Cheese Wizards. Cheese Wizards is the first battle royale with cheese game on the blockchain. And we're super stoked to bring it to you. We got a pre-sale that's wrapping up here shortly, and then the game will be coming soon. What up, G? And so the thing is, the first thing we want to tell you is there's 4 kinds of wizards that you can go buy right now. What are those kinds of wizards, Roman?
Fire, water, basic, wind.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All the wizards have to do. There can only be one. If a wizard does not do it, it will be gobbled up by Dumbledore.
Every time somebody buys a wizard, the price of the next wizard goes up. That's for all of the elemental wizards, the wizards with affinity. So, there's the basic wizards, and then there's the 3 elemental wizards. And the price of the basic wizard always stays the same. But the price of the elemental wizards increases every time somebody buys one. And the question you might ask yourself is, why would I pay more for an elemental wizard if somebody else just paid less for one? And the answer is because the more you spend, the more powerful the wizard is. That is how you initially establish your wizard power. Do, 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 do. When you have duels between wizards, and one wizard beats another, they take their power. They take their power as they beat them in duels. So there's 4 wizards. Imagine that. And now the water wizard and the fire wizard decide to get into it. You can see them each here with their spells behind them. Now they each shoot a spell, and you can tell how powerful they are by how tall they are. And they shoot their native spell in this case. And then water is more powerful than fire, so water ended up on top of fire. And what's going to be the consequence of this powerful water spell? Boom! You can see that fire got a lot shorter, water got a lot stronger, because fire lost a lot of power to a water spell. So basically, it's the next morning. It's time to get this video done. What I need you to understand is that you use wizards to cast spells. Any wizard can cast any spell, but each elemental wizard has a stronger power with its native element and a weakness to its opposing element. So buy your wizards, duel with your friends to have some fun, and then duel on the world stage in order to become the Big Cheese. Do, 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 do.